You will never buy lighters again. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a worn-out lighter into one that never runs out, following a few simple steps. First, we take a lighter that is no longer useful or that is worn out, just like the one I show you on the screen. With the help of a soldering iron or other hot object, we will make a hole in the bottom part of the lighter tank. Now we take a nut. Spark plug type and unscrew the washers that cover it. We will also do this process with the plastic part that is at the bottom of the nut. We will remove the spark plug tip from this one, since we will only need the thread of the nut. Next, we use a saw and we will cut in this part. Now, we will take the longest part of the cut nut and reserve the other. We will take the lighter again, and then screw the nut into the hole we had made in the bottom of the lighter tank. Then we will use silicone to glue it so that there are no leaks. Después tomaremos un recipiente y verteremos un buen chorro de alcohol al 90, el cual será el combustible que utilizaremos para hacer nuestra encendedora. A continuación, llenaremos una jeringa con la solución y llenaremos el depósito de la encendedora. Once full, we will put the spark plug thread back so that everything is sealed inside and there are no leaks. We will finish by putting the larger thread to cover it even more. With this, we will have the lighter ready. Unlike the COM lighter, you can use this one up to 10 times longer and refill whenever the fuel runs out. Ideal for those who like to carry one in their pocket or take one camping. If you got this far, leave me the phrase below. Reusable lighter, so I know you watched the video until the end. Y si es la primera vez que ves uno de mis videos, suscríbete para que seas el primero en recibir nuestros tips.